Up embedded Vision Starter Kit with Basler Dart USB camera.
This video will help you set up the software for Basler on Upboard. Go to the download page first. And choose the software matched to your system. If this is your first time coming to this page, you will need to sign up some information and you can download it. Find your download and extract it. You can see how to install in this file. But now I will show you. Open your terminal. Go into folder. Extract Python SDK into App folder. And execute setup USB.sh. Yes and yes. You can see installation successful. Now going to apt Python 5 bin. And execute Python viewer app. Connect the camera so you will see the message under. And I connect again. Just wait for a sec. Now it be detected. Double click to pick the device. We take a single shot first, and we see a bird image, so we need to manually focus the lens. We choose continuous shot and go into full screen mode. Now you can see a clear image. You can disconnect here. We take a single shot again. We get a clear photo. We can stop continuous shot here. And save the photo you take here.